Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can zoom on Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, there is two options: create a new video, start it from scratch, and right here there is create a video with AI. So right now I'm going to click on create a new video. So once you click on create a new video, you're going to be right here in this screen. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So right now, I'm going to click on import media to add a video. And then I'm going to choose a media, for example, this one. So basically guys, once you add your media, you can drag it here to the timeline, or you can just click on this plus icon. And as you can see guys, now the media is added on the timeline. So basically guys, once you add your video, if you select it right here, you can use all of these tools to customize your video. You can, as you can see guys, adjust the audio, the volume. Here you can add some effects like fade in, fade out. Here you're going to find the filters, the effects, adjust colors, and lastly, you can change the speed. So right now, in order to be able to zoom in Microsoft Clipchamp, just go here to the timeline. Right here in the right, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to zoom in like this. And you can also zoom out in the timeline. If you want to zoom the video, just go ahead and select it. Then go to a corner and then just grab it like this. And just drag it to the right or to the left. And as you can see guys, this is how you can zoom a video in. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.